beautiful. I hope you're having a lovely day. If you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida. Hi, hello, nice to meet you. In this video, you know exactly what we're gonna be talking about. I'm missing Lippy. You see the title. So without any further ado, let's jump in straight to the video. So I'll be checking out the brand new Revolution Pro lip oil, lip conditioner, and the lip balm. Is that correct? Yes. Here we go. I haven't opened these yet. It's brand new, so I have literally no idea what to expect. So I think without any further ado, let's do it. So my lips looks like this just now. It's quite dry and chapped, so I definitely need some of this rescue oil, balm, and lip conditioner. Let's start from the Restore Lip Balm Day and Night with hyaluronic acid, vitamin B5, C, and E, which sounds super amazing. So this is brand new. I haven't opened this yet, so I have no idea what to expect. This looks good. Guys, I love the packaging. The glass packaging. Smells good, you guys. Has no smell. At least I can't feel anything, which is amazing. I'd rather have no smell in my makeup cosmetics rather than irritating, annoying, some kind of scent. Okay, let's just try some. This looks like super creamy. In the jar, it looks super thick and solid, but once it touches the lips, it kind of melts. Okay, my lips feels already super hydrated. I like it so far. Okay, let's try another thing. So I'm gonna clean this quickly off my lips so it's nice and dry, because otherwise it would just make no sense, right? I'm just gonna pat this off. My lips feel super moisturized though. I think next thing we can try is the Rescue Lip Oil Day and Night, once again, with vitamin E and essential oils. So on the other side, what we say is Instant Shine Lip Oil to help comfort lips with vitamin E and oil complex of jojoba, shea, green tea, and ylang ylang. Lips are enriched, protected, and nourished. That sounds amazing, isn't it? Let's open it up. Let's see what we have. Love the packaging once again. Ooh, I like this. This looks good. I like this a lot. So the metal part, that's a metal in here, is so comforting on the lips. It feels so nice. It's very nice cooling on the lips, and it smells like coconuts. I mean, do they say anything about coconuts in here? Nope. It smells like coconuts to me. Maybe I'm wrong, but literally it smells like coconuts. I like it actually. So far, if I would need to choose between the Restore Balm and this one is a rescue oil, I would go for rescue oil. Although both products are nice, it's just the application part. Okay, we got one more product in here. This one is Renew Lip Conditioner Day and Night with vitamin E, castor seed oil, shea butter, and avocado oil to help soften and nourish lips. Use daily or apply overnight for a more intense result. You guys, my lips already feels amazing, looks amazing. Let's check this out. Okay, this is brand new, as all the products always check reviews. Looks good, you guys. I like the application band as well. This looks like a lip gloss though. What you guys think? I still got this lip oil on, so I'm gonna quickly blot it off. Obviously my lips are now like super soft because I tried the lip balm and the lip oil. Let's try this lip conditioner. It smells a bit like some kind of flowers. I can't decide what it smells like. It smells like flowers to me. Okay, this one has more like a thicker consistency to it, because the lip oil was very liquidy, the lip balm was kind of melting on the lips. And then this, I can't decide if it's like a lip gloss design. I like the application band because it's kind of like hugging the lip. You see how curved it is? It kind of hugs the lip. Yeah, I like seconds, my lips feel super hydrated. Yeah, smells like some kind of flower. I don't know, we don't mention anything. It has a flowery scent to it, if that makes any sense. Okay, so my verdict about these lip balm, lip oil, and the lip conditioner. My lips feel super hydrated. I mean, just look at that. If I would need to choose one out of these, I would go for or lip oil or lip conditioner, just because the lip balm, you need to use the applicator to apply this, or like a separate applicator, I mean, or use your finger. So for that reason, I wouldn't just, you know, have it on the go with me, just because I would need to dip in my finger. I would use it like before sleep or in the morning. These, just because of the packaging, in my opinion, is more convenient. Although all three products felt super conditioning on the lips. I mean, you've seen it for yourself straight away. You can see the instant result, you know what I mean? Definitely recommend all. Have you guys tried any of these lippies, or which like lip balm or lip oil is your favorite? Leave a comment down below, let me know, because I am like low-key obsessed with lip balms and oils. I have a lot. I did a few videos in the past about it. Yeah, because my lips are always so super chapped and like so dry, so I try to moisturize it as much as I can. That's been said, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and you found this helpful. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more, leave a comment down below, let me know what you would like to see next up on my channel, more reviews, more tutorials, or chit chat videos, and I shall see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching, and bye! Have an amazing day, guys. Ciao!